Sinteris undertook a process of developing green state machining in conjunction with one of our suppliers. They provided the powder, which was a material that had an organic compound that was effectively a binder that would hold the particles together, and that powder can then be formed into a component, and at a certain temperature the binder effectively acts like epoxy or acts like a resin, holds the particles together and allows you to machine it.
In our particular case, with the materials we were using and the green machining, the goal was to come up with a process that would allow us to have a finished part with the 2 rows of teeth coming off of the sintering oven and in the heat treat condition.
This operation, we're going to machine a groove and a crank sprocket in the green state. Normally it's done as sintered, so it's a hard part, about Rockwell B60, and it can, with the interrupted cut, it's very hard on cutters. Rather than going through a cutter every 100 pieces or so, we might go through a couple thousand pieces before we need to change a cutter.
You may not gain a lot in terms of throughput, but you'll gain so much in tool life that you're able to offer a reduction in cost to the customer. And not only that, you make it a little easier to manufacture. You take out that variable, because every time you change a tool or an insert, you have the opportunity to change dimension, throw up a burr. There's always those offsets that need to be set.
It opens up doors, it intrigues people for sure. It allows them to start to think outside the box as well, as to, oh, we may have this component that could fit that, and then we try and match up what we have as expertise to what they need as a customer.
There's a lot of experience here in green machining, and I think one of our things is we're not afraid to green machine. You know, we may cut grooves in the teeth that other people don't want to cut because they're afraid the teeth are going to break. But our experience has been that if you get the speeds and feeds correct and you have the part ready at the first place, then it's easy.